I was starting to understand the physical toll that manual labor was going to take on my body. I could see it in my father, who had been a mechanic his whole life, and it just broke his body down. And so I took the leap, and I was just, you know what, I'm going back to school. My name is Zachary Ernest, manufacturing engineer here at Ashley Conveyor Products. I happened to be on the website right as they released the engineering tech program. I think I'm Googling what's engineering technology.
At Ohio State, the engineering technology program is an engineering degree that covers multiple different disciplines of engineering, but also includes business and leadership principles. I've had people in industry say I can hire a mechanical engineer all day long. What I can't find are leaders. And those are the kinds of things that we're equipping our engineering technology graduates to do.
One of the best things I ever did was go back to school. It allowed me structure in my life when I struggled with finding my bearings on a day-to-day basis. Ohio State was basically a pathway for me. You know, it gave me things that I would have normally not done for myself. And I'm eternally grateful for that.
People like Zach are going to take skills in automation to a company that doesn't have it. Next thing you know, they're competing in a bigger market than they ever have been before.
Ohio State almost heard verbatim exactly what industry was saying and then put it in a curriculum, got industry approval, and I think it was just a recipe for success.